All right, join me on chapter 7, page 416 in your science book. Please follow along. Why is energy important? Think about all the things you do that require energy. You might turn on lights, listen to music, work at a computer, ride in a car or a bus, or use a home appliance. Where does the energy you use come from? An energy source is where the light, heat, or electrical energy people use comes from. Most forms of energy originate with the sun. For example, power plants produce electricity, but they burn fossil fuels such as coal, oil, or natural gas to make the electricity. These fossil fuels developed from early living creatures that originally used the sun's energy to survive. Most of the energy people use can be traced back to fossil fuels. Page 417. Types of energy. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas are burned to release energy. Coal is a hard, black substance formed from plants that lived about 300 million years ago. Oil, or petroleum, is a thick, black liquid that forms underground over millions of years from decaying sea creatures and plants. Oil could be made into gasoline and other fuels, as well as plastics. Natural gas is a mixture of gaseous hydrocarbons formed from marine organisms. Alternative energy sources include moving water, wind, and sunlight. Running or falling water can turn the wheel of a water mill. The wheel spins an axle attached to generators that produce energy. In a hydroelectric plant, moving water spins a turbine, similar to a water wheel, that powers an electric generator. Wind can also spin a wheel to generate electricity. Geothermal energy is heat energy produced inside Earth. This heat can be used to heat homes and produce electricity. One example of this type of energy is a geyser, a fountain of steam and boiling water that bursts from the ground. Most of the energy on Earth comes from the sun. Solar energy is any form of energy radiated by the sun. Solar collectors trap sunlight that can be used to heat water in homes. Solar cells convert sunlight into electrical energy. Such cells are used in electric cars. Turning the page, following along on page 418. How is energy converted into usable forms? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It changes from one form into another in a process called energy conversion. Some energy conversions are very simple. The stored chemical energy in a flashlight's batteries is converted into light energy and heat energy when the flashlight is turned on. In your body, chemical energy from food is converted into heat, as well as mechanical energy that you use to move. In an electric fan, electric energy is converted mostly into mechanical energy to turn the blades. In the solar-powered car shown below, a solar cell converts sunlight to electricity. The electricity is used to run the car's motor. The motor converts electricity to mechanical energy, which provides the motion to propel the car. Continuing on page 419. Other energy conversions consist of more steps and are more complex. A steam engine converts chemical energy in fuel into heat energy and then into mechanical energy. A car engine converts chemical energy in gasoline into heat energy as it is burned, and then into mechanical energy to turn the car's wheels. In a hydroelectric plant, falling water spins turbines, creating mechanical energy. The turbines power the generators, changing the mechanical energy into electricity. When coal is burned, it gives off heat that creates steam, which is then turned into electricity. Scientists continually develop ways to capture and convert energy into usable forms. All sources of energy have advantages and disadvantages. Costs are also involved. The monetary cost of the energy conversion is one factor to consider when deciding which energy source is best for a particular purpose. Another cost is the possible harm to Earth associated with using a particular energy source. All right, thanks again for watching and following along, and I'll see you on the next one.